Okay, this is Frank Salinas. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is, if you're making this fan page for a client or for someone else other than yourself, click here on the home page at the bottom where it says create a page. And 9 times out of 10 you're going to select brand or product. Just because most people are going to be using this for internet marketing or affiliate marketing type stuff, creating fan pages for different niches and try to create commissions and make sales from your online efforts that way. If you're doing it for a local business like a tire shop or a flower shop, then of course by all means select local business. But if this is for you for making money online in different niches and whatnot, select brand or product, and then always select website, and then put the name of your product here, and then hit I agree, and then hit get started. I'm not going to go through this process because I'm going to create the fan page on my own personal account. So if you're doing this for somebody else, go through this process and get started that way. And if you are doing it for yourself, for your own businesses and for your own efforts, you can just log in to Facebook and go to the same page. Okay, once logged in, you go to facebook.com/pages/create. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm logged in, so I'm going to create brand or product. I'm going to select website, and for this tutorial I'm going to create something called PLR Profits. I'm going to get started, and now we're going to upload an image is your first thing to do. So I'm going to browse and I'm going to find a quick image. Alright, then I'm going to hit continue. For the get fans thing, you can invite friends or import contacts, or you can skip this. For now we're going to skip this because that's some basic stuff, but if you're getting started and you know you're going to do this pretty quickly, you can go ahead and do that at that point. We're going to hit continue, and here for the website I'm just going to put one of my websites for now, and free video on how to profit from private label rights. Your about is just a quick sentence or so about exactly what it is that your fan page is about. So this website would be the website that you want to drive traffic to, or at least one of them, one of the websites you want to drive traffic to. So that's very important, but for this video I'm just putting in my own personal site. I'm going to hit continue. Okay, so this is what it looks like, the fan page to when you first get going. Now, one of the main things that we're going to do here is I promise you just how to set up a fan page for free without buying any software, any scripts, and make it to where it goes viral by people clicking the like button and all that good stuff. So we're going to make it to where they can't get access to your free gift unless they click the like button. So we're going to cover that in the next video, and I'm going to show you some good, cool stuff to get started. Okay, welcome back to video 2. Here is a secret weapon that I found a while back, and it's a pretty great little app. It's actually an app you get from Facebook, and you just go to it by going to apps.facebook.com/iframehost, or there should be a link underneath this video that you can just click on once you're logged in, and we're gonna add that app to our Facebook fan page. Now the main thing is what you want to do is pick an icon of what you want to show on your fan page, and a lot of them usually have this little star, but you can actually choose a different icon. So I'm going to choose the thumbs up icon because it just looks cool, and you'll see where this shows up in just a second. So click it, and then add this application to, and then you're going to choose your page, and in this case I named it PLR. It should have been PLR Profits, but I'll fix that in just a second. So I'm going to add it to PLR, hit add static iframe tab. Okay, so now we have added it to our fan page, and looky there, it's right there. Now we're going to edit, and this is why it's so cool, because you don't need WordPress, you don't need any plugins, you don't need any special software scripts to install on your site. You can virtually set up your fan page just using Facebook, and that's it. So we're going to click the edit, Okay, and now you're going to authorize the app. Okay, not a big deal. It just says access my basic information and send me an email. Okay, so they're doing this, to grow their network and to contact you every once in a while. Not a big deal. Hit allow, and here we are at our fan page, and we're going to be able to start editing it right away. It's got some pretty cool features that I'm about to go over in just a second. Alright, so here we are at your tab settings. The first box you see here is for page source. Now what this is the content that people are going to see if they're already your fan, and after they click the like button, this is what they're going to see. And you can either put a URL, and this is what it's going to do, is going to put the site of your choice in an iframe, or you can redirect them. The user's entire browser window will leave your page tab and be redirected. Okay, or you can put an image, which could just be whatever image you want. But the main thing most people are going to use is HTML. And what's cool is if you don't have an HTML editor, all you do is click editor here, and you get a fully functional WYSIWYG editor right here. So you could say thanks, here is your free gift. Okay, so this is the content that they see when they're already a fan, and you would put a link to your gift here. But let me show you how to use the templates that I gave you. Okay, so you're going to go to this right here, and you see it says for image URL. So what I'm going to do is I need to put an image up that says thanks for clicking like, and we're going to use the images that I gave you as a bonus. So we're going to go to a website called freevps.us where you can host your images for free. So I'm going to hit browse, and I'm going to find the images that I uploaded onto my computer, which is what you get in this package. Okay, fans page graphics, PNGs, and I'm going to upload thanks blue. I'm going to click upload. Okay, so show directly this image. Okay, so here's the URL. This is what you're going to copy, URL. Okay, I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to my Facebook, and I'm going to click this icon to insert an image, and here's where I'm going to paste that image URL, and I'm going to insert. Okay, now I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to center it. Okay, now I'm going to get the HTML to paste where they're going to get the free video. Okay, so I copied my code just to save some time. I'm going to click HTML so I can look at the source code. And here I'm going to paste all the HTML that I have, and you'll see what it looks like in just a second. I'm going to delete this one as I already have an image here. I'm going to hit update. Okay. Now we're going to go to non-fan page source. And this is the stuff that people see if they're not a fan of yours. So this is where you're going to put, click like, yada yada yada. Okay, so fan gating is turned off. Fan gating is basically that whole process of telling the people when they visit your page, hey, click like and you'll get this free gift. Okay, so in this case we're going to do HTML again. Now if you chose image, you could simply upload an image. Okay, but I want to be more descriptive because the images you get don't describe what your gift is. So we're going to go with HTML. Now we're going to go with the editor. Okay, and you can always make this a little bit bigger. And let me get the HTML code for this page. So I'll grab my HTML. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this HTML source icon. I'm going to paste the code that I have so far, and I'm going to hit update. Okay, so this is what it looks like here what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this image with the fancy image that you got with your package. So I'm going to hit delete, and now I'm going to go back here to this free site, free VPS, and I'm going to select one of the other images. So I'm going to go back to PNG, and I'm going to click video. I'm going to click the blue video icon, and I'm going to upload this. There it is. So now I'm going to go down here where it says URL, and I'm going to copy that. Go back to Facebook, and so here I'm going to click this little icon. Real easy stuff. Hit insert, and I'm going to just bring it up one space, and I don't need this image because that's what the other image says. Okay, so now one cool thing about this app is it has this friend gate option, and it's turned off now. And what this does is you can hit default and 5. That means you can't see the content unless 3 or 4 of your other friends or 5 friends like the content as well. To me, that kind of defeats the whole purpose, but you could play with it and make it to where it's only 1 or 2 people, and it might help your visitors share it more and help it go viral. So in this case, we're going to turn it off. Okay, so the tab icon we chose was the little thumbs up. The tab name, I'm going to show you how to change it in just another video. We're going to hit save settings. Okay. Okay, now we're going to hit view tab. So there is your fan page. So when they come here, they're going to see this. Discover how to start your online business, yada yada yada. Click the like button to get your free video. So as you can see, this is exactly what I want to happen. So it's telling them to click the like button. So if they click like, so we viewed it as a non-fan. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Here's the one of the images that you got in this package. And now let's view it as a fan. And as you can see here, it says thanks for clicking like. You're about to discover yada yada yada. And here's the video that they got for free. Okay. So what you could do here is at the bottom you could put an opt-in form, or this instead of a video it'd be a link to a PDF. Or it could just be some text. Anything. It could be anything pretty much. And then you can put an opt-in form under this video or under whatever gift it is you're giving away. And that's it. And as you can see here, it says welcome. So we're going to go over now how to change the name of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to get started. Now we're going to go to edit page. And now, default landing tab, all we want to do is change it to welcome. Hit save changes. And now we want to change the name of that welcome to something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to click apps. And now we're going to find our app, which is called Static iframe tab with the thumbs up. And we're going to edit settings. And we're going to change the name to free video. Whatever it is you want it to say, that's what you're going to put. So we're going to hit save. Then we're going to hit OK. Now if we click view page, this now says free video. Okay. So if I go here, copy this link, and open up a new browser on a different browser, we're going to see what this looks like. Okay. So there you go. I'm not logged in. As you can see, when someone lands on your fan page, they see exactly what you want them to see. Discover how to start your online business. Here's the great image telling them to click the like button. And here you can see the tab is called free video. And so that's it. That's what you want to happen. So when they click like, they're going to see your content. They're going to see the eye-catching image that I gave you with this package. And there is your fan page. So now if you want to add more pages, you can go here to edit, click edit, go back to the settings by clicking this, and if we scroll down, install another tab. It's right here for you. This is free. You don't have to pay for anything. So now we could say, I don't know, like this one for the thumbtack. We're going to choose the page, PLR. We're going to add it. So now you have a thumbtack. You can go in there and you can edit the content. You can allow. Same thing as we did earlier. It's not a big deal. So now once you get to this area, you set up the other information. So this could be like more free stuff. You could name it, change the name to more free stuff. And here you put more content for them, more videos, more PDFs, anything you want, just to add value to your fan page. It's that simple. That's all it takes to make a fan page without having to spend a lot of money. Okay, let me also show you how to change the name. See how here, when you click on getting started, the name of my fan page is just PLR. Okay, so I need to change that. I wanted to change it to PLR Profits. Once you click edit page, we're going to click on basic information, and we're going to change it here where it says name. Okay, and then here you can put founded, and you put other information if you want to, and you can put the mission and your email address, whatever info you want to put on here. Go ahead and expand on it. The more info you put, the better. Basically, it'll help people trust you more and get to know you and your brand more. So here I'm going to change that to PLR Profits Free Video. Save changes. Now if I go to view page, as you can see now it says PLR Profits Free Video. So real simple strategy right there, just to change your name anytime you want. Change the name to the fan page. Also just want to mention, you can actually grab the username of your page once you get over 25 fans. So try to get to 25 fans as soon as possible so that you can create an easy to remember username for your fan page. Okay, so there's some other things you can go over here. Profile picture, you can change these. So here, let's go to browse, and I can change. Let's just choose something obnoxious like a dollar bill, and I can hit browse and choose something else. So the only reason I'm doing this is to show you what this does for your fan page. I'm gonna upload that. I'm just choosing different stuff just to for example's sake, just to show you something real quick here. Let's see, we're gonna upload that. Now we're gonna go to view page, and we're gonna go to wall. So what I've done here is I've uploaded profile pictures and I've changed them. So what you want to do is you want to do just what I did. Go to edit page. I'm going to explain to you why I did this. Go to edit page, profile picture, upload different images of your products here. Just keep going through the process and choosing different ones. Then when you come out to view page, when someone goes to your fan page, they're going to see on your wall different images at the top. Okay, so let me see if I can get this to show. They click on your wall to make a comment or whatnot. They're going to see these images that we uploaded just a second ago. And so you want to put images of your products or whatever else you're going to make money on. Put the images there, because if they click on it, they can now see a description. So I'm logged in to Facebook as another account on this page. Watch what happens here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on photos. Profile picture has 4 photos. So watch this. If I go here, I can add a description. This product was made with PLR. Okay, and then here you can get the URL and send them straight to it. So let me see here. Let me just paste that in here and hit save. Okay, so now check this out. I'm gonna go to my other browser. Where am I? Here I go. Let me just close this, and we're gonna re-click on that same image. Okay, let me go here. We're gonna browse through them real quick, and I'm gonna show you. There you go. I just made that change, and now I'm logged in as a visitor on another browser. So here I basically said this product was made with PLR, and now I have a link to that product in the description. So when they click it, it now takes them to that product that I had in that image. So this is very powerful. Do not forget to do this. And that's it. So what's this going to do for you is, when you upload all these images to catch people's attention, all you simply do is go to your photos, find the profile pictures, and add descriptions of what they're looking at. So if you have a product A, B, and C, and D, put a description and a link to product A, put a link and description to product B, C, and D, etc. So when people go to your wall, they're going to click on those images, and that's just more traffic to all your stuff. Super, super powerful stuff. Make sure you do it today when you get your fan page started. Okay, in this video I just wanted to cover a couple things. First of all, if you change the age restriction to anything other than what it's set to as default, then this is going to block people from seeing your fan page if they're not logged into Facebook. So you're basically keeping people from seeing your fan page if they're not logged in. So I really wouldn't change this, because if you do change this, then you're not going to be able to let people see your fan page if they're not logged in, and so that hurts the whole point of your fan page. So another thing, you can edit these settings, and the main thing I wanted to show you is if you go to resources, you can send an update to all the fans of your fan page. Okay, so you put a subject, put the message, put a link to your website or whatever, and click send. That's how easy it is to send an update to all your fans. So you go to edit your page, resources, then you click send an update. Okay, so, and another way, which is, I encourage you to do this once you have your fan page set up, is all you have to do is just post stuff on your wall. Share things with your fans. Share photos, images, share links, share a cool video. It doesn't have to be, self-promotion of you selling to them. As a matter of fact, try not to do that. Just try to weave it in there here and there. You don't have to be, blatant out, you don't have to be just all out pitching to them every time you make a post. So just share stuff with them, and the interaction will start just by sharing links, videos, etc. So you just go here and say, hey, check out this cool video on PLR flipping. I'm just making this up. So you write this, and then you put a link to whatever video you want to share. It doesn't even have to be your link. The whole point is you're interacting with your fan base. Okay, so that's just 2 quick tips, and you have a full fledged fan page that costs you nothing, that took you literally a few minutes to set up. So I hope you really enjoyed this, and do let me know how it works out for you. I'm interested to see. Alright, let me just show you another quick tip here. When you logged into Facebook, the main thing is, if you're making a new page, new profile, your profile should be a person. It shouldn't be a business or a niche topic. The profile that you create when you join Facebook, most of the time it's going to be your own personal profile, and then the pages are going to be linked to your fan pages are going to be linked to your profile. But if you make a new one, for niche marketing or whatever, make sure your actual profile is a person. And in this case, I put that I'm a male, and my name is PLR Profits Webinar. This is not what you should do. you should actually have your name and basic information. In most cases, you're going to have most of your fan pages linked to your profile, because Facebook wants your profile to be an actual person, not a band or a brand or a company or anything. So just know that, make sure you make your actual profile for your Facebook login an actual person. Okay, so here I put my birthday. The only thing that's kind of dumb is I put PLR Profits Webinar when I should have named it, Frank Salinas. And then to get to your actual fan page, what you do is you go to Account, and then you click Use Facebook as Page. And when you click this, it's going to give you the options of your fan pages, and you'll see a bunch of them here once you start creating them. And in this case, I'm logged in as a different user, and I'm going to show you some stuff here on this fan page that I made a while back. I actually made some sales from this just by getting a few people on this fan page promoting this free webinar, and after the video a link would pop up that went to a private label rights package. And this is a different app that I used in the beginning before I found the other app. But let me just show you something. Here, after this video played, a link would pop up down here under the video, and it would basically say, hey, go grab this PLR package. And at that point, they clicked it and went to go purchase through ClickBank. So I actually made I don't know, about $200-300 just from these 43 fans here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let me show you. When you're in your fan page, one of the things you want to look at is, once you start getting fans, is you can click on View Insights. When you click on Page Insights, you can go to Page Overview and see the active users, the weekly and monthly. And if you click on Users, you can see even more stats. And this is just a cool little thing to look at, because you can see the actual demographics. Once you start getting a lot of fans, you can see some pretty good data that's going to allow you to, make your fan page better. So when you're looking at your fan page, all you do is you click on View Insights, and then you get to those stats. Okay.